Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to the newest and the biggest mall here in Qatar, the Vendome Mall, and it is located at Lusail. So this is the first time na pupunta tayo sa luxurious mall here in Qatar. Okay, see you there. Okay, we're going to ride the metro rail. This is the metro rail Albida station, and from Albida sasakay tayo ng metro papuntang Legtipia, and from Legtipia magta-transfer tayo ng tram papunta sa Central Lusail going to Vendome. And now we are here in Albida Park, Albida Metro Station. So, antay tayo ng tren papuntang Legtipia. So, ayan guys, sakasakay na tayo sa metro, and yung metro papunta sa Legtipia. Hi, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Legtipia Station, and pupunta tayo ngayon sa tram going to Lusail Central or Central Lusail. Sasakay tayo ng tram. We're here at the tram going to Central Lusail. And this is the tram.
This tram is for Energy City South.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa tram, riding the tram going to Central Lusail. And from Central Lusail, nandun na yung Vendome, the largest, the luxurious, and the biggest, newest mall here in Qatar. Here. And we are here at Central Lusail. Going to Vendome. Thank you. So this is the way going out to Vendome. So this is the exit. And this is the Vendome Mall here. Hi guys,
Hi
welcome
guys.
back to my channel. We're here at Vendome here at Lusail, and I'm here with one of the YouTuber here in Qatar. And what's your YouTube name, sir?
My name is Qatar Vlog. My channel name is Qatar Vlogs, and my name is Paix. Please subscribe my channel Qatar Vlogs.
Yeah, please subscribe his channel Qatar Vlogs.
And Earlyseven. What's your name, brother?
Rodel. My
Rodel.
real name is Rodel, and
He's
my
very
YouTube
kind
channel
actually,
is-
and I meet him with very stranger, and then he's very kind person. Thank you so much
Yeah.
for having me here. Thank you so much, brother.
Okay, thank you very much also.
you very
Bye.
Bye.
If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to click the like button, share to your friends, and subscribe to Earlyseven YouTube channel for more rad-clusive videos.